Viewers, this video is about Zoetis, Pfizer's animal health spin-off case solution and analysis. This case exemplifies distinct growth strategies in the pharmaceutical sector. Is management R&D a vital part of growth strategies? And the case shows the value of using a holistic framework for R&D when enlarging the company's footprint. The case serves the intent of identifying the measures which are essential for the performance of these strategies, and comparing organic and inorganic growth strategies. This is just a sample partial work. Please place the order on the website to get your own originally done case solution. Thanks for watching this video.